What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. Today I'm going to be checking out a very easy restoration part for the first gen 1993 to 1995 Lightnings, and that is the dome light lens. This particular dome light lens is going to be a direct replacement for a damaged, discolored, or missing factory lens. It is molded from plastic just like the original, and of course shares the similar shape, which is going to provide a great fit and finish. Taking a closer look at the factory lens in our red 95 Lightning, you'll notice that it has completely discolored and it's even developed a few cracks. To remove the existing lens, of course if it's still there, carefully squeeze in to release the small plastic tabs. Now you can go ahead and remove the old lens and install your new one in the same orientation. It really can't get any easier than that, guys. Every once in a while, you have to appreciate the small parts that can make all the difference for your light. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.